Hello everyone and welcome to the Coding Branch. Today, we finally get to have all of our hard work pay off and we'll be able to show the world our beautiful websites. Well, my website is a lot of things, but beautiful isn't one of them. Luckily, these hosting providers are free and they don't care what our websites look like. There are a bunch of companies that do web hosting and a handful that do it for free. The host you pick is up to you. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to host a website by hosting my website in 5 different places for free. Heroku, this video goes out to you. You had a good thing going with free web hosting. For those of you who don't know, Heroku was the best free web hosting platform for many years. You could deploy front-end or back-end applications, and it was very easy to use. But they got rid of their free tier, so I had to find another one for my weekend projects. And I figured it a good idea to show everyone how you can deploy on 5 different platforms. I'll be showing you how to host your static websites, not how to sign up for these platforms. Take my word, each of them takes less than a minute and none require a credit card, just an email. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be showing you these in the order of which I like using them. I graded them on overall experience I had with each. The first one is my go-to host provider for React applications, so if you plan on creating a full stack application in the long haul, this one may interest you. It's super easy to use and I'll leave a link to it in the description below. It's called Netlify. You just need to go to their website and sign up and you'll be brought to this dashboard. The first website is the easiest to host because you literally just drag your website files into this folder. You will need to include an index.html file, but beyond that, you just wait for it to publish and click on the link to access your website. It doesn't get any easier than that. This is an incredibly powerful platform and one of my favorites, so check it out. The next is going to be hosting through GitHub Pages. Again, I'll leave a link in the description, but if you've ever done any coding, you've probably already used it. In order to host your website on GitHub, you need to click Create Repository, type in a name that ends with .github.io. Then drag all of your website files on screen again and wait for it to load. Publish your code and then go into your settings, pages, and make sure your branch is set to master or main. After that, your site will be ready to publish and you'll see a link for it right here. Alright, the third platform we'll be checking out today is called Infinity Free. With this company, we can be sure that they'll never shut down their free tier. Anyway, once you're done and signed up from clicking the link in the description below, they'll offer you a cPanel of sorts. A lot of paid VPSs use this type of layout, so if you're used to it from another platform, this may be nice for you. In order to host your website, you click on the Online File Manager, and within your htdocs folder, drag all of your website files. Once they load, as they say on their website, it can take up to 24 hours. You'll be able to get the website they gave you. If your files have loaded, you'll see your website there. Awesome. On to number 4, which is a platform called 000 Web Hosting. They are actually powered by Hostinger, which is one of the cheapest paid for WordPress hosts around if you're interested. But once you've signed up for their platform, click Manage Website and go to the File Manager. Here, like the last site, you go into this HTML folder and drag all of your files. Once they've been uploaded, you can click the link to go to your website. Alright, last but not least, the most complicated, but possibly the most beneficial if you're going to get to know their platform, and that is going to be Google, or Firebase if you will. Once you've signed up into your Firebase console account and created a project, you'll see a section for hosting a website. Click on that and you'll get here, where you can add Firebase to your web application. For this, you have to use the command line and log into Firebase, and at the end of all that, you can finally type into the console within your project's directory, Firebase init, and click Proceed. Then pick from the options Deploy Firebase Hosting. Then click Use an existing project and pick the project you're working on. Then tell it to use the public directory by hitting Yes. Click No to whether it is a single page application. Next, do not override the HTML. And finally, let all this code go by and wait till the deploy is complete. Now we can go to our application link and see how we did. Alright, I know that was a lot, but we did it. and aside from Google, you can set up your website hosting in about 30 seconds or less. So I hope this video was insightful. If you enjoyed this type of shorthanded content, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe on your way out.